harmony. Yeah, the harmony. How about Alicia, you hum the melody, and the rest of you do the accompaniment. Ready, and...
Sorry, wait, guys, do you know what we're doing?
You're following the guess, it'll be right on the tape, if I play it right.
Okay.
And then they can always practice with that. You can be listening. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because you have the melody. 1, 2, 4. Do you want an intro? Sorry.
When Snooze was king.
Yeah. No, I mean. Oh, okay.
That's the title.
How about like? So tall, tall timber in the trees. Now here's the top part that everybody's getting, but if we want to get the harmony, which is cool, and you want to try and maybe, so let's everybody do the top part. Let's do just that much, because, and then I'm going to do the harmony part. Is it down there or is it up an octave? Well, let's do it up there, just in case. I was just wondering if anybody needed to sing that high or low.
Yeah, there you go. Sorry? Yeah, I need to hear a little bit of music with this before I start.
Oh yeah, no, I'm not going to make you do it.
Okay, because I will definitely try that, but I don't even have the beat in my head. I've been reading that 4 times.
I'm not lying.
There.
Let me try it.
Trees, turning timber into lumber, but just how it please. I am a woman, that's not exactly a perk.
No kidding.
Yes, I am a woman, I do woman's work, and a whole lot of it.
Monkey again for Steam Monkey. I mean,
Which song is that one?
You guys, you realize that the third or the fourth theme song, there's one where you speak it.
Yeah, it's the one right after we did it the first time.
And you speak it.
Right, and then you speak it, yes.
Yeah. Okay? So we want that a little bit slower now.
Okay.
You notice at the end, Greg, say,
That 2-bar tag, you want it gone?
what do you think?
Sure.
Guys? Troop?
We could technically do the clapping bit, and then we could just do another steam sauce run, and if it's rain or shine, and we're all making lumber and playing mill, and we could end it like that, or like the second one,
or we could end with we could have a clapping tag, like
yeah.
Because that actually is the very end of the show. Just for waving goodbye.
Goodbye now.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
Something like that. Okay,
Yeah.
so we're going to leave it.
You can, instead of
Swing, swing, swing. Swing, swing, the axes ring, echoes bounce off mountain walls, ripping, rasping, saws that claw, trees tremble, crashing fall, whispers of stretching limbs when scraping at the sky, of snow and rain, wind and storm, no sense in voice to cry, tales told in subtle rings for 100 years or more,
Tracing clues,
Seasons
wild,
seasons wild, silent on the floor.
Skids, scraping, crushing logs, twisting turns, floating high, harshly bruising all they touch, tough, landing what did fly. Sing, a sawdust fling through clouds of milling dust. Saw 2000s of 4 feet, remnants of ring nonplussed, stacked in stacks, lumber walls, a sad tale filled with woe. No, a gentle pause for rest, what purpose, who can know? Chopstick desk or two, peckhole houses, refuge warm. Rocking horse sailboat, airplane, no shape it cannot form. We use it and touch it without seeing clearly, whispering remnants of rings. Of seasons gone by, and trees that decry, and wood we value dearly, and wood we value dearly, and wood we value dearly, and wood we value dearly.
Now we are. We're about to take the train.
the train!
Yeehaw!
The train!
Where are we going on the train?
From, what is this, the Heritage train station?
Sure.
To McLean Mill, where we'll be spending the summer. This is our uniform.
Oh, I'm not. Oh.
This is a beautiful costume. It's very flattering for my feminine figure. Look, there's a little kid dressed up to go on the train. He's carrying Woody. Oh, look at that. Children interaction. And there's people dressed in period costumes, and just this kid is in the way. See? And then there's a train conductor somewhere. I'm going to walk over here. And there's some people who are tourists. I'll turn it on when the robbery happens.